Shares of United Breweries dropped after the company announced that it is suspending the supply of beer to Telangana Beverages Corporation with immediate effect. The maker of the Kingfisher beer said it took this decision because the corporation has not revised the base price of beer since about 2019-2020, which has resulted in huge losses. Ola Electric Mobility stock traded 4% lower a day after the Securities and Exchange Board of India issued an administrative warning to the EV player for violation of disclosure norms. Bhavish Agarwal had shared details of Ola Electric's plan for an expansion on social media platform X before the disclosure was shared with the exchanges. Shares of 197 Communications, the parent company of payments aggregator Paytm, dropped by up to 8% following a UBS report that suggested that Paytm did not gain any UPI market share for the month of December 2024. Shares of electronics manufacturing firms such as Dixon Tech, Keynes Tech, and Amber Enterprises suffered sharp losses, falling up to 8%. The sell-off in these EMS players came after a 2% drop in Wall Street's tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index, driven by sharp declines in big tech stocks. Premier Energy shares tanked 5% after Kotak Institutional Equities initiated coverage on the renewable energy company. Despite forecasting a strong CAGR of about 44% for Premier Energies between FY24 and FY30, Kotak cited the stock's high valuations as a reason of concern, driving its bearish stance. ONGC shares extended gains for a second consecutive session after the oil marketing major bagged an upgrade from Hong Kong-based brokerage CLSA. CLSA upgraded this stock to a high conviction outperform from an outperform earlier. International brokerages Jefferies and Bernstein reiterated their bullishness on the chemicals to retail conglomerate Reliance Industries, leading to a 2% price bump in its share price. Reliance Industries stock has seen a 22% correction from its 52-week high. As a result, RIL's valuations have become attractive and the cheapest since the COVID-19 shock. This makes for an attractive risk-reward ratio. Shares of Spandana Spurti Financial skyrocketed 15% to a 10-week high, driven by an influx of heavy trading volumes in the counter. As much as 56 lakh shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, already exceeding the 1-month daily traded average of 7 lakh shares. Shares of Borosil Renewables were locked in the 5% upper circuit for a second consecutive session after the company's promoter recently increased their shareholding. Promoter increasing their stake in a company is generally seen as a positive sign, reflecting confidence in its growth prospects. Jindal Worldwide shares surged 5% to a fresh record high on January 8 after the firm announced bonus share issues in the 4:1 ratio.